Say thank you for the dress.
Thank you for the dress.
Can
Let
you
me
say,
see.
can you say hi, Nana Lisa and Grandpa Dennis?
Hey, let me say, Dennis.
Can you say I love you?
I love you.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Can you show the dress? Can you show it off?
Yeah.
Can you show it off? So spin around. Spin, spin. Good spin. High five. All right.
Did I
Good
do
spin.
spinning?
Good spin. You want to spin? Can you say thank you to Nana Lisa and Grandpa Dennis?
Thank you, Nana Lisa and Grandpa Dennis.
Can you show them your pretty dress?
Dad, they already see that.
Yes, they do. Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Watch out for the baby. Uh-oh.
Sorry. That was a pretty bad tape.
Okay, how about you? Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Can you say thank you for the dress or the pretty outfit?
Thank you for the pretty outfit. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm videotaping.
I'm not doing your videos anymore. You better not videotape this. Dad, can I do a cartwheel?
Not upstairs, baby girl.
Can I do it downstairs so they can see me?
Maybe.
Cartwheel.
Where you going, baby?
So I need a cartwheel. No, you are not
Hmm?
trying to take video. Dad.
Hmm.
Dad.